I became a teacher because I was in between jobs and came across an ad that read, 7th grade teacher needed. I thought, how hard could it be to teach kids? It's structured, it's predictable. Although I'm new to the field, I figured if I just worked hard enough, everything would fall into place. Man, I was wrong. I thought my interest in the subject would be enough. But teaching isn't just explaining ideas. It's juggling everything at once, both during class and after the bell rings. The grading piles up, the lesson plans fall apart mid-class, and classroom management feels like I'm constantly drowning. I try to be firm, I try to be understanding, but the chaos just creeps in. My administration has been supportive. Coaches observe me, they model lessons, and they give feedback. But I'm not getting better. I can't believe it would be this hard. Each observation feels heavier, and I can see the doubt in their eyes. I stay late every night, replaying my mistakes, wondering if struggling this much is a sign that teaching isn't for me. Who knew that it would be this demanding? I have a newfound respect for educators, especially those who have served students for years. Your hard work and dedication is admirable and appreciated.